correct answer is B. 4. Explanation. The full name of the CMR is the Convention on the Contract for the International Carriage of Goods by Road. You'll need this document to transport goods internationally by road. Of the 4 copies required, the consignor, consignee, and originator all have 1 copy, and the 4th travels with the vehicle. 19. You've parked your vehicle on level ground to deliver a load of building materials. What should you do before using the vehicle-mounted crane? A. Lower the stabilizing legs. B. Set out warning cones. C. Switch the engine off. Or D. Turn the steering wheels to the left. And the correct answer is A. Lower the stabilizing legs. Explanation. Before using the crane, it's vital to make sure the vehicle is parked on level ground and the stabilizing legs are lowered. This will reduce the risk of the load becoming unstable during lifting. Also check for any overhead cables that might obstruct the crane. 20. You hold a full Category C license. What does this entitle you to tow? A. A curtain inside a trailer. B. A trailer of any weight. C. A trailer up to 750 kilograms. Or D. A trailer with more than 1 axle. And the correct answer is C. A trailer up to 750 kilograms.